Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can delete your chat history on Claude AI. So let's get started. First, open up Claude AI in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see your recent chats and conversation history listed. If you have a lot of chats saved, you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific conversation. But if you only have a few chats, you can simply scroll through the list and locate the one you want to remove. To delete a single chat, move your mouse over the conversation and click on the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear. From there, click on Delete and then confirm the deletion when the pop-up appears. That conversation will immediately be removed from your history. Now, if you want to delete multiple chats at once, you can click on the Select Chats option near the top of the sidebar. After that, choose the chats you want to remove individually, or simply click Select All if you want to clear everything. Once you've selected the chats, click the Delete button at the top and confirm the action. This is useful if you want to organize your account, remove old conversations, or clear private chat history quickly. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.